on. I just wanted to take a minute to thank all of you that have liked and subscribed to my videos over the past few days or so. It means a lot to me. I'm glad that there's some interest in what I've done and what I plan to do. So I just kind of wanted to tell you a little bit about my channel and where I plan to take it. First off, my name is Brad. I'm an avid outdoorsman. I love anything outdoors. I love tinkering with things. I love cars. I love Jeeps, hot rods, motorcycles, four-wheelers, camping, any of those things. So my channel is going to kind of incorporate a little bit of all of that. I figured this trailer build would be a good start, and I still have a lot to do. I have a lot of things in the works. A lot of it's waiting for parts to ship in. I'm constantly watching, other videos on YouTube to gain ideas. I'm on forums and Facebook and just trying to find how I can make this little bitty trailer here better than what it already is. I plan to take it out camping probably here in the next couple of weeks or so. The weather's still nice here. I mean, we're talking, it's probably about 83 today, but there's a nice cool breeze. At nighttime, it's been getting down to the 50s, so it's like absolute perfect weather. I can't complain. But anyway, so yeah, you'll see a lot more of this trailer. You'll probably see a little bit of outdoor cooking. You'll see me tinker with some of my enduro motorcycles. I have an XR 650. I have a KLR 650. Couple of TW 200s. You may even see me tinker on my 1950 Plymouth coupe that you may have seen in one of the videos. There's a lot, I don't know. Like I said, this is all new. So, you're going to get everything. You're going to get it raw. You're going to get me messing up just like if you were trying to do this, or if you're at home and you're trying to do something new and you screw up and you got to start all over. That's life. That's how it goes. So that's how my channel is going to be. I appreciate, if you share, comment, like, ring the notification bell. Anything like that helps me grow. Hope to get to a point where, I can do more gear reviews and trying new things. Anyway, I just wanted to say, take a minute to say thank you for all the likes and the comments and things. Anyway, hope you have a wonderful week, and we'll see you in the next couple of days or so. Thank you.